all these strange orbs that was filmed over RAF Mildenhall in the UK. Check out the video, but first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.
This video was filmed at RAF Mildenhall at some strange orbs on the 6th of January 2025, and there was also some strange orbs filmed in Camarthen in Wales, in the UK. Check out this awesome video. Here it is. Now, it was a bit of a strange night on the 6th of January 2025. Just want to say, first of all, thank you to Into BS World of TikTok for the footage. Check out the TikTok, it's excellent, a lot of UFO footage on there. Give it a check, the link to the TikTok channel will be in the description. And also I want to thank UIP Livestreams Facebook page as well. The link to their page will also be in the description as well, so don't forget to go over and check out their page. Now, the first two were filmed over RAF Mildenhall in the UK, which has some strange lights, keep flashing on and off. This was the first one. The other one, it just seems to be lights. They're looking over a road and they've got some lights on there. Now, the first one, you can hear the excitement in her voice when she's seen these lights disappearing and reappearing. It's very, very eerie, what you can see. Now the other one, they're counting 10 orbs over Mildenhall. And then there's another one, which was this time filmed in Camarthen, in Wales. There was a red flashing light orb circled, it had been circled by a fighter jet, an F-35. These things were also spotted in Swansea in Wales as well. Let's have a quick look at the first video in Mildenhall. See there. You can actually hear as well in the background some fighter jets. I haven't got this quite quiet at the moment, but when you listen to the actual full video you can hear fighter jets in the background. It was a really strange night. Kept seeing all sorts about UFOs on there. Let's check out the full video.
I don't know what that was. That was so low. It's massive. They're going down. They're dropping. Look, there's another one. That's a jet, isn't it? Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God. Oh
It's really hard to capture it.
Why is it talking in us?
It's got a red light.
I can't see a red light though.
I can see it, look. And they're coming back to it, look. They're circling it.
Oh, I can see there's a red dot in the sky.
It's coming back around.
Oh yeah, what is that red dot? That's something.
I don't know, Jasper. Here it comes again. It's coming back.
Dad, there's a big flash just flying across there.
Did it?
Yeah. Do you know where the lamppost is?
Yeah.
There's a big
I think
oh,
on
it's
re-
behind the house, it's behind the house. Oh, you missed it, Dad. Dad, it.
I caught it on camera first. Yeah, look, there's another one, guys.
Oh gosh.
Look, there's the jet.
This is another red dot.
There's a jet, look, there's a jet.
Look, you see it?
Yeah. The jet's coming behind it, look. Oh, it's flying. Absolutely flying. There it is. It's going really low. What was that all about? I don't know.
It's gone. Dad, it's gone.
Whoever you are, whatever you are, you have been spotted.